Hey guys, today you're going to do a playing card workout. So if you have a deck of playing cards, you need to pull those out before you get started. Each playing card is going to mean a different exercise, and I'll go through those in just a moment. If you don't have a deck of playing cards, and there's a site listed on this assignment where you can go to a random card generator and it will tell you which card you need to do. Okay? So if you pull an ace, you're going to have to do 20 jumping jacks, and y'all know how to do jumping jacks, but in case you don't, just like that. So you're doing 20 jumping jacks if you pull an ace. If you pull a king, you're doing 5 burpees. If you do not know how to do a burpee, you start in a standing position. Okay, you go down to the ground, chest down, push up, and jump. Okay, you're doing 5 of those. If you get a queen, you're doing 25 ski jumps, so your feet are together, and you're just jumping from side to side 25 times. Jack is 10 push-ups. If you need to do modified push-ups on your knees, that's fine. Try to keep your back as flat as possible, shoulders over your hands, down, up, okay? And if you need to do it from your knees, okay, keep an angle at your back, down, up. And you're doing that 10 times. If you pull a 10, you're doing 10 squats, okay? Coming down and back up. Down, back up, 10 times. 9, you're doing 10 sit-ups. So you're laying down on your back flat, knees are bent, coming all the way up to your knees and back down. Make sure your heels stay in contact with the ground. All right? 8, you're doing dips. So you're gonna find a chair or a box, okay? Put your heels of your hands on it, just like this. You're going down, up, down, up. That's dips. You're doing 10 of those. Pull 7, you're doing heel raises. All you're doing is lifting your heels up and coming back down. You're doing that 15 times. Okay, 6, 30-second plank. So you're gonna get on your forearms and your toes, back nice and flat, hold it for 30 seconds. 5, reverse lunges. So you're starting in a standing position, and all you're doing is stepping back and coming back up. Stepping back, coming back up. You do 10 total, 5 each leg. 4, shoulder taps. Get in a push-up position, shoulders over your hands. Tap, 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 30 times. And I'm gonna stay down here because 3 is 40 mountain climbers. Getting on your hands and your toes, and you're bringing your knees up to your elbows. And you're gonna do 40. And last, number 2, B-ballers, okay? So if you pull that, you're coming down, touching the ground, pretending like you're shooting. Touch the ground, pretend like you're shooting. And you do that 10 times. If you get a joker, you can choose any of these that you want, okay? So you're going to try to get as many cards as you can in 10 minutes. All right? And then when you finish, there will be a form for you to fill out. If you have any questions, send me an email. Good luck.